Are you looking for ways to make lazy money online? Well, you're in luck. We will discuss 8 ways to get your money back in shape. Say goodbye to long hours and hello to easy cash. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone who wants to earn extra income, we will reveal the laziest ways to make money online. Let's get started. Number 1 is to take online surveys. Usually, people don't want to hear your opinion. Instead, they want to hear their opinion come out of your mouth. But with online surveys, you can be opinionated as you want and still get paid, no matter what. That's why online surveys are a popular method for earning money with little effort. Companies and market research firms constantly seek valuable consumer opinions, which makes online surveys a convenient way to earn extra cash. By signing up with reputable survey platforms, the key word being reputable, and not some shady website, individuals can participate in surveys on various topics and get paid for sharing their thoughts and feedback. The process is simple. Participants receive survey invitations via email, complete the surveys at their convenience, and receive compensation through cash, gift cards, or other rewards. Taking online surveys is an accessible and flexible way to make money online, as it allows individuals to earn from home and during their free time. While it may not result in life-changing money, it can provide some easy, extra money. Number 2 is rent out your belongings. Are you looking for a new lease on life? Well, I have no advice about that since this video is about making lazy money. But you can lease your stuff to other people. Renting out your belongings is another lazy way to earn extra income while maximizing the use of your assets. Whether it's your spare bedroom, car, tools, or even electronics, there is a growing demand for temporary rentals. By listing your belongings on online platforms specifically designed for this purpose, you can easily connect with potential renters and set your terms and pricing. This approach allows you to make money from items that would otherwise sit around and collect dust. Renting out your belongings benefits others who may need these resources temporarily. So, it's a win-win situation, enabling you to easily monetize your assets while delivering a valuable service to those in need. Number 3 is cashback and reward programs. Cashback is usually great for me because I can spend $500 on things I don't need to earn 5% cash back. So don't be like me. Be better than me and use cashback for things you actually will use. So how does cashback work? Cashback and reward programs are a lazy way to save money and earn extra cash while purchasing online. These programs operate on a simple principle. When you shop through their affiliated websites or use their designated links, you receive a percentage of the purchase price back as cashback or earn rewards points. It's a win-win situation as you continue to shop for the things you need while getting a little something back in return. Cashback and reward programs provide a lazy and convenient way of making money online. All you need to do is sign up and shop as you normally would. Whether it's groceries, clothing, electronics, or travel, these programs offer various participating retailers, allowing you to take advantage of deals and discounts while earning money effortlessly. Number 4 is selling unused items. Do your part to save the environment. eBay has been keeping landfills empty since 1995 by allowing people to sell their unused and unwanted items to someone else that probably doesn't need it either. Selling unused items is another lazy way to declutter your space while earning extra cash. Whether it's clothes, electronics, furniture, or other possessions that have been collecting dust, there is a huge market online where you can find interested buyers. Platforms like eBay, Craigslist, or other online marketplaces provide a convenient way to showcase your items and connect with potential buyers. By selling these unused belongings, you free up valuable space in your home and give your items a new lease on life with someone who will appreciate and utilize them. It's a win-win situation that allows you to profit from things that no longer serve you while helping someone else. So gather those unused possessions, snap some photos, write great product descriptions, and start making money from the comfort of your own home. Number 5 is participate in market research. Participating in market research is also a lazy way to earn money while sharing your opinions and insights. Market research companies and organizations constantly seek consumer feedback to improve their products, services, and marketing strategies. By participating in market research studies, you not only have the opportunity to voice your opinions, but also get compensated for your valuable input. This can involve taking online surveys, participating in focus groups, testing new products, or providing feedback on advertisements. Number 6 is get paid to search the web. A VPN may or may not protect those online searches that you don't want anyone to know about. But hey, at least you can get paid for it. And yes, I read this on the internet. So it must be true. You can simply earn money by completing an online search. By participating in platforms or websites that offer rewards for web searches, users can earn cash, gift cards, or other incentives. This lazy way to make money online leverages an activity already a part of your daily routine, making it a convenient and accessible option for those seeking extra income. The best part is that you can search the internet during your free time. Some well-known companies that offer this lazy money-making opportunity include Microsoft Rewards, Swagbucks, Zoombucks, etc. Number 7 is review products and services. If you enjoy getting paid to review products and services, this could be an excellent money-making opportunity. Many customers rely on reviews before making a purchase decision. Recognizing the significance of obtaining reviews, numerous companies are willing to compensate individuals for this valuable feedback. Fortunately, many platforms will pay you to review products and services. Some notable platforms include Get Reviewed and CrowdTap. These platforms provide opportunities to engage with different products and services and share your honest opinions in exchange for money. By becoming a reviewer, you not only have the chance to test new products and services, but you can also contribute your insights and help others make informed decisions. Number 8 is play video games and get paid. Whenever my mom used to say, "Go play outside since it was a nice day," I would just open the window and play video games. Much to my mom's surprise, now all of those days of playing video games will pay off, because anyone can make money online by playing video games. It may sound too good to be true, but it's a reality. Some companies are willing to pay you for playing games and giving feedback. This not only provides a lazy way to earn money doing something you love, but it also allows you to try out new games before they hit the market. Some of these companies include Mistplay, Swagbucks, and Inbox Dollars. So if you're passionate about gaming, why not turn your hobby into a source of income? Explore these platforms and start monetizing your gaming skills today. Thank you for joining us as we explored the laziest ways to make money online. We've discovered a range of methods that allow you to generate income with minimal effort. Whether you're taking online surveys, playing games, or renting or selling your stuff, these opportunities offer the potential to earn money while embracing a more relaxed approach. Remember, these methods may be considered lazy, but they require some initial effort to get started. So go ahead and get lazy and start your online money-making journey today. If you liked this video, please don't forget to like,